Welcome again to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about an interesting intelligent automation tool which is used for automating our repetitive tasks. So, from last few of the videos, we are creating content or series of content on Testrigor. So, in this video, I will show you how we can use Testrigor to automate e-commerce site. For doing this, I am going to use flipkart.com, which is an e-commerce website used in India for buying products. So first I will show you manually what steps will perform it here. Post that I will automate this by using Testrigor, which is an interesting automation tool used for intelligent automation products. Here, what I can do simply I will go to flipkart.com and select top offers. From here, I will go into any of the sections from the electronics and purchase a products which is I am looking for. Manual steps. Let's see if I am selecting minimum and maximum range. So here what I can do, I will select minimum as 10,000 and maximum as 50,000 plus, and post that if I want to select several other filters like internal storage, then I will select 64 to 124 GB internal storage. So this is what regular users are doing for filtering out the products which they are looking for. So once the filter has been applied, it will show up the different operations. We can also add several other filters like color, screen size, stream type, everything will be there. So let's say we are just adding a filter of internal storage and minimum and maximum range. Post that product is popular product will be available here. Let's say if I want to purchase this, then I will navigate it to here and click on buy. Once I'll click on the buy, it will navigate it to the address location where I have to select the address location and post that when I will make a payment, this product will be available for me. As of now, I'm not placing an order because I don't want to purchase this product, right? So here, what we'll do, rather than doing manually, I will go to this page, and from here, I will make an order, right? So for doing this automatically, simply we have to add test trigger plugins. From here, simply I will go here and click on this tab, and it will open start new recording. Once I will click on this, you can see this is blinking. It means recording has been started. Simply I will click on flipkart.com, and from here click on top offers, and I will just navigate it to electronics and select Apple. Once I will select Apple, it will navigate it to the Apple Store page where I just have to click on this, specify the minimum and maximum range about the products. Let's say I'm selecting 10K here and 50K here. Now, once I will navigate it to down, I want to add one more filter here like internal storage. So once I'm done with this, the product which is available in front of me is a filter product which I was looking for. Simply I will click here and see the choice options. If I want to change any of the specific color, I will change it, and post that once I will click on buy now, it will navigate it to the order page where I just have to check or add the address detail or delivery address detail. Post that once I will select or here, The order will be placed after making payment. I don't want to add or make the payment or want to buy this product. So simply what I will do, I will stop my activity here and recording as well. So once I will stop my recording, it will ask for my test suite. Test tool is nothing but this test case has been saved into my folder, and post that simply I will select e-commerce and let's say product purchase to. Here what I will do, I will need login as well. So let me show you login as well. Post this. Now here I simply have to check the code. If I want to make any changes, I need to specify here, post that. Once I'm done with the making changes and click on add and run, this test case will be added into my test trigger bucket. So you can see first I've clicked on the Flipkart, then clicked on top offer, clicked on Apple. Before that, I hovered on electronics. Without that, I'm unable to jump to this step. So what I did, electronics, make sure the spelling should be matched with the website spelling. Then I'm done. Then I clicked on Apple. Then I click on iPhone XR show now. Then I selected minimum and maximum range. So when I selected from minimum, I just have to define here min rather than specifying everything min, and here I need to define just max. Done. Post that, I clicked on internal storage, and inside the internal storage, simply I don't want this thing. When I clicked on internal storage, there will be a checkbox where I have to select here, select 64 127 GB, and when I will click on Apple phone and next that click on buy now, that product will be buy for me. So these all are the steps which I want to perform it automatically. So once I'm done with the editing, simply I will click on add and run, and this test case will be start executing. So simply I will go to my test suite and see, you can see here this test case has been started executing. So till the time it will continue to execution, let me show you where I define my login credentials. For defining login credentials, simply I've used here settings. Inside the settings, I need to jump into the authentication page where I have defined my login user and password. So this is all the steps which I have used here. So let's see how the execution is continuing. So right now I'm selecting product purchase to. From here, I will get all the screenshots will be generated, which I performed it manually, which is an effectiveness of this product or this applications. It is capturing every screenshots in sequential basis. Whatever steps we have performed, all the steps has been captured in terms of image. So whenever we will miss anything, we will able to catch it. You can see here minimum and maximum range has been specified, and post that it is selecting the internal storage as well, which is a very effective about the execution process. And you can see the status is passed. So this is how This tool is executing and the behavior without writing any single line of code. We can automate our stuff or repetitive stuff which we are doing it manually. And if we want to edit any of the simple test cases, simply we have to click on edit test case, and without doing any coding, we can write our automation script in plain English language. We don't need to know much about programming, and this is the power about this tool, that is Testrigor, which is an intelligent automation tool used for automating our regular activity. So that's all about this tool. We have automated the product purchase order request from Flipkart. Hope you enjoyed this. If you really think so, this is a great tool. Comment it down in comment section so that others can also know it. And if you really think so, for helping other in terms of automation, share this tool within your circle. Thank you for watching.